If you're getting an Epic Games server error, don't panic. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to check whether the problem is on Epic's side, and then walk you through the best fixes you can try on your PC. This is the fastest way to figure out if you need to wait for Epic to resolve a backend issue, or if you can fix the connection problem yourself in just a few minutes. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple troubleshooting guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, before changing anything on your computer, visit the official Epic Games public status page. This is the most important step because it tells you whether the issue is actually with Epic's servers. On that page, look closely at the status for Epic Online Services, Epic Account Services, and Storefront. If any of these systems show an outage or degraded performance warning, then the issue is not on your end. In that case, local fixes like restarting your PC or changing network settings will not solve it. You'll need to wait for Epic's engineering team to deploy a backend fix and restore service on their side. If everything looks normal on the status page, then the issue is more likely related to your own network settings. The next step is to clear your DNS cache and reset your Windows network stack. To do that, click the Windows Start menu, type cmd, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. This part is important because the commands need administrator permission to work properly. Once the command prompt window opens, type the following command exactly as shown and press Enter. ipconfig/flushdns. This clears out old or corrupted DNS data that may be preventing Epic Games from connecting correctly. After a moment, you should see a success message confirming that the DNS resolver cache was flushed. Next, type the following command and press Enter. netsh Winsock reset. This resets the Winsock catalog, which helps repair network connection problems caused by broken or misconfigured internet settings. If your Epic Games launcher or game has been failing to connect to servers, this step often helps restore normal networking behavior. After both commands are complete, restart your computer. Don't skip this part, because the changes won't fully take effect until after a reboot. Once your PC turns back on, try opening Epic Games again and see if the server error is gone. If you're still having trouble, the next thing to check is any active desktop VPN software. Turn it off completely if it's running. VPNs can sometimes interfere with Epic Games connections, especially if they route traffic through a different region or block certain authentication requests. Even if your VPN usually works fine, it's worth disabling it temporarily while testing the launcher. After turning off the VPN, try launching Epic Games again and see if the issue is resolved. In many cases, one of these steps will fix the problem, especially if the server status page showed no outages. So to recap, always start by checking the official Epic Games public status page. If Epic Online Services, Epic Account Services, or Storefront are down, you'll need to wait for Epic to fix it. If the servers are fine, run Command Prompt as administrator. Flush your DNS, reset Winsock, reboot your computer, and disable any active VPN software that gives you the best chance of fixing the Epic Games server error quickly and safely. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more gaming fixes, PC troubleshooting tips, and simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.